Is your HP printer connected, powered on, but just refuses to print? Don't worry, because this is actually one of the most common complaints we hear from HP printer users. So, we're going to tackle this issue in today's video, get you back to printing in no time. And if you'd rather skip the steps and talk to someone directly, our experts are available right now at the numbers on the screen. Alright, let's dive in. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Set printer as default. Head over to your computer and click on the Start menu. Type in Printers and Scanners in the search bar and click on Open. Scroll down until you see option that says Let Windows manage my default printer and make sure that box is unchecked. Now scroll back up, find your HP printer from the list and click on Manage. And finally, click on the Set as Default, and that's all for the method. If setting the printer to the default printer fixed the issue, subscribe to our channel. If the printer is still not printing, let's check if there are pending print jobs to cancel. Method 2. Cancel all HP printer jobs. On your computer, look at the bottom right corner on the screen and double-click on the printer icon. Note, if you can't see the printer icon, click the small arrow to reveal your hidden icons first. In the window that opens, right-click on any pending print job and select Cancel from that option. When the confirmation box appears, click on Yes to confirm. Note, make sure you go through and cancel each pending print job one by one until the queue is completely clear. For more videos on HP printer issues, please tell us your issues in the comments. If the error still persists, let's check for printer driver updates. Method 3. Update printer driver. First, click on the Start menu, type in Device Manager and open it. Inside Device Manager, look for the Print Queues section and click on it to expand it. Find your printer in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. When the Update Driver window opens, choose Search automatically for drivers. Then it'll find the latest update and install it automatically. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.